Welcome TUI Group. It's an honor to have you here. You are one of the most important investors that we have on the island, and we hope that your presence here will continue to enhance the very beautiful brand of tourism that we have in Zanzibar.
At TUI, we have long been admirers of Zanzibar as a diverse holiday destination, and we have proudly included it in our offerings for many years. The fact that we can now connect Zanzibar directly with our own flight is a significant value addition for us.
Together, we are not just creating new travel routes, we are fostering friendships and understanding between our nations.
Coming back of TUI flight is further testimony to the efforts undertaken to ensure our tourism season blossoms, and we are delighted to have you here at Hakyam.